To give you a little look at my greenhouse. Look at my little guys growing. Cucumbers, squash, all different types of growing. So it can be done, guys. My son came up with one of the most unique ideas. We got a sprayer. Look at this cool sprayer in the middle. And you hook the hose up and it twirls and swirls every direction and it sprays the whole, pretty much almost the whole garden. Let me take you on a tour on all my tomatoes and different vegetables that I have planted. So come along, guys. It's been pretty darn sunny, so this is how dry it gets through the day, which it's still kind of damp from last night's watering. But yeah, that's my little swirl twirl water, and it's so unique. It just twirls in every direction and sprays everywhere. But yeah, I see all the tomato plants, they're doing wonderful. I think I stepped on that one. That one's the only one that isn't doing wonderful. And there's my onions. They're coming up great. We got potatoes on this end. Here's our peppers. We got more different kinds of peppers here. And here's some of the ones from the greenhouse. All these are from the greenhouse. All these are from the greenhouse. The little greenhouse that I had in the house. But pumpkins, every breed, every kind, and gores. And here's the giant pumpkins right here. Those will be giants. These will be the white pumpkins. And these are the kind of weird pumpkins. These are supposed to have little warts and stuff on them. And this group right here is just supposed to be your regular orange, basic pumpkins. But yeah, there's our little pumpkin patch right there. And they're coming up great. All these guys are. The big garden is doing great. Well, hello everybody. I just want to tell you how hot it is today. Oh my goodness. It's up almost 93 and the humidity is unbelievable. This is actually the coolest place in the whole barnyard, under all these trees. But yeah, it is literally the hottest day we've had. Got home early, was going to work on the building, and I just don't think, it's just so hot that you can barely breathe. Which I might when it cools off just a little. Now our topic today was getting out and getting things done. And went by the gas station and really shocked at the prices going up so fast, and bought some for different vehicles and for, you know, any equipment we got. But yeah, the prices are unbelievable. Plus, if you think about it, now is the time to actually buy a little extra of everything, food-wise, just kind of put some stuff back, just in case. Just hearing a lot of negative reviews on getting gassed and having it sent to the gas stations, and if they can't do that, then you might run out of things. So basically, just be prepared and be a little bit more up on your game a little bit. Don't wait till it's too late and everybody is out there. But yeah, today was preparedness, and that's what I've been doing, preparing things, getting ready to can when everything's getting ready to come in, and it will be probably in a week, 2 weeks at the most. Things will be coming in so fast that you have no time to think. So this is the time to prepare for your jars, your salt, your sugars, any spices you want to use to can, and just things that you would normally get, but do it now just in case there is none when you get ready to go can, because definitely is going to be canning. Okay guys, well, I'm getting ready to take you on a little garden tour. Okay, we are inside our little cage right here. This is in the yard, and yeah, I have to shut these gates so the chickens don't get anything, but all the way around, see, we have cucumbers everywhere growing. And then we've got rows and rows of our green peppers. Now these were put only a couple weeks ago because we got bigger ones down in the bottom. I just planted them different timings, so peppers come in different times. Same with cucumbers. Okay, now here is our cabbage. So these guys are doing wonderful. Look how big they are. Green peppers too. See my cabbage? That one is huge. And we got more cucumbers and cabbage. And cucumbers are growing around the edge. Okay, then we've got our sunflowers. All these are sunflowers. Look how huge they're getting. They're getting pretty darn big. All these. They're all up and down the line. And we've got a lot of marigolds and zinnias and different kind of pollinating flowers coming up. And this is to keep the chickens out too, because chickens love to get in everything. But yeah, there's 2 or 3 different types of sunflowers. The smaller ones, bigger ones, and gigantic ones. So this is the little garden. This is up around my little building right there. Okay, now we're going to go see the big garden. Now tonight I'm getting ready to put all these panels up. We didn't have them at our Tractor Supply, so I just got them, and I didn't have enough stakes to stake my tomatoes out, or round cages, so I had to go get some more of these, see, big long panels, and I will put them up around all of my tomatoes because some of them they're starting to come down. Oh, is that a little apple? There's a little apple. Look at the little apple. See the little apple? He's coming in. Oh, I just wish I'd have a whole lot of apples. Okay. And as we go into our garden area, look, here's the rolls of tomatoes. And I weeded last night some, but weeds grow a lot faster than the tomatoes. And I have some cages. See, there's some cages, but yep, I got to get my panels out here because they're starting to fall over. And tomatoes are done coming up on them. See, I've got some cages, but all these are, see, there's green tomatoes already. There's just a whole pile right there. Okay, then we got our green onions coming in. I'll get out of all my green onions, and I've got red ones coming in. I planted them all separate, different timings. Here's my red ones coming in. I don't know, I can't really see, guys, because it's so sunny, but yeah, they're all coming in. My little red onions, green onions, and there's my potatoes. Yep, they are coming in. Potatoes are looking fine, guys. Then we've got beets over here. All my beets are doing good, and everybody loves my canned beets. They say they taste like candy, so hopefully these beets will be good this year. But yeah, now here we go down this aisle. Here's a lot more cucumbers, 2 rows to be exact. And yeah, I did a whole row right here of cucumbers twice, and none of these come up. None, all the way down, none of these cucumbers. But all of these did, as you can see. 2 rows of those. And then different type of cucumbers right through there. And more tomatoes, as you can see. And these are all squash, different kind of squashes. Right there, and jump the row, and we got them going all the way down. See your squash. Got them going all the way down. Okay, now these are some cucumbers right here that I just planted the other day because the other row didn't come up. And some cucumbers over here I planted because the other row didn't come up. So these are all new ones I planted because the rows didn't come up. And these are cucumbers right to here, and then the squash starts, 2 different kinds. Okay, then pumpkins. Yep, we got pumpkins and gourds. These are all Jack B. Little here, the bright orange pumpkins, white pumpkins. These are the gigantic pumpkins, just your regular pumpkins, and these will be gigantic. And these right here, I just planted, are your Cinderella pumpkins. Okay, and I just planted right this whole strip a thing of gourds, and I think one has come up. Look, just one. Oh, there's 2 up there. I don't see any more. And these are carrots, and none of my carrots have come up. I'm gonna have to replant carrots again. And these are weeds that needs to come out that I didn't weed down here. But yeah, the garden is looking great, and I gotta get my panels up tonight. And that'll keep all these staked up. And there's my garden, guys. It's looking really good. I'm proud of it so far. And all the pumpkins. I love the pumpkins and the gourds when they climb this little arch I got going. It's just so pretty. It's like birds have been around too. But yeah, there you go. And yeah, it could be weeded again, but in between everything else, I mean, look at my weed eater's been broke for 2 to 3 weeks. So yeah, I've got a lot of things. I just have to set my priorities straight from work to home, to gardening, to animals, to whatever else, building. But alrighty, guys. And our grapevine's doing great. The grapevine is doing good. Alright, guys, I hope you enjoyed the garden tour. And as I said a couple minutes ago, always be prepared for better or worse. It never hurts. And we will see you all back at the farm.